Ever wondered how secure online transactions work? In the vast sea of the internet, it's essential to have a system that ensures safety and trustworthiness. That's where digital certificates come into play. Imagine you are sending a sealed letter. The seal ensures that no one can tamper with the message inside. Similarly, digital certificates act as that seal, providing a layer of encryption to our online data. But digital certificates do more than just encryption. They also authenticate the identity of the other party. So when you're doing online shopping or banking, you can be confident that you're interacting with the legitimate entity and not some imposter. Digital certificates are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to ensure the authenticity and integrity of the data we share online. They're the reason we can trust in the security of our online transactions. Think of a digital certificate as an electronic passport that establishes an individual's or organization's credentials when doing business online. So what exactly is in these digital passports? Well, let's break it down. A digital certificate is a bit like a driver's license for the internet. It contains several key elements. Firstly, it includes the holder's public key. This is a unique code, similar to your driver's license number, that is publicly available and is used to encrypt data. Secondly, it has the holder's name, just like your license would. The certificate also carries the expiration date of the public key. Think of it as the date when your driver's license needs to be renewed. Then we have the name of the issuer, the trusted authority that verifies and issues the certificate, similar to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Next up is the serial number of the digital certificate, a unique identifier, much like your license number. Lastly, it includes the digital signature of the certificate issuing authority, a seal of approval, if you will. Just like your driver's license contains important information about you, a digital certificate holds vital details about the holder and the issuer. Now that we know what's in them, how do they work? Imagine you're sending a locked box through the mail. You want to ensure that only the intended recipient can open it. This is essentially how digital certificates work in secure online transactions. The sender or website uses the receiver's or user's public key. Think of this as the lock to encrypt the data. This scrambled data can then only be decrypted or unlocked by the receiver's private key. This is the sole key to the lock and is kept securely by the receiver. But how can we trust this lock or public key? This is where the issuer of the digital certificate steps in. They verify the authenticity of the public key and bind it to the identity of the individual or organization. This process assures us that the public key truly belongs to whom it claims to. So, in a nutshell, digital certificates serve as a guarantee that the public key contained within the certificate belongs to the individual or organization noted within the certificate. Before we sign off, we'd like to ask for your support. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about complex topics like digital certificates, don't just stop here. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Not only will it help us reach more people who could benefit from this information, but it also encourages us to produce more videos like this one. And remember, hitting that bell icon means you'll be notified whenever we post new content, so you won't miss out on any future educational videos. So go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thank you for your support and for watching.